I'm Haley with Modern Exterior, and we're out here today in WhiteFish Bay looking at old siding, gutters, downspouts, and the chimney flashing that's leaking. As we can see on the garage here, they don't have any gutters. That could in turn affect the foundation and all the brickwork and everything like that, which is sad. As you can see, that's definitely from water, you know, possibly snowplow damage too. Starting to rot out because water just all runs down here. Then we have the siding, just old, it's chipping and peeling away. Up at the top there you can see, and the bottom edges, old wood siding, I believe. Bottom's deteriorating as well, and it's just age. And then as you can see, the window trim as well is definitely seen better days. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off all the siding on these sections, and then we're gonna inspect all the sheathing below, and then we will install new vinyl siding or LP siding depending what the homeowner prefers. And we'll definitely put that up to LP standards and then install new trim around the windows. And if it's LP trim, it won't be rotting out for a very, very long time. It's a fairly simple project, and go up there and take a look at the chimney.